Welcome to Qiqo Chat. Here's a brief overview of the new cloud recording management system. It comes standard with every event, and there's no additional charge. This means all the recordings that you want to do inside your Zoom meetings will arrive, and then you can edit the titles and descriptions, and you can decide which ones you want to be visible to participants. Participants can then watch them on demand. These recordings will last in Zoom's cloud for 30 days. If you want them to be pushed to YouTube, you can do that so they can be saved permanently. And you also have the option of downloading them and doing whatever you'd like to them. So click on Edit Event, and that will take you to the Edit Event page. Here are some new buttons. We'll click on Cloud Recordings. Your participants will see a page like this. This particular page has the background from the event. So if you add a custom background to your event, it will also be picked up in the cloud recording page. If you don't want the logo on top, then put embedded equals true, like you could do for most Qiqo chat pages, and that is going to remove the header from any Qiqo chat page. That allows you to embed one Qiqo chat page into another, especially into your live events. So here, a participant would click copy passcode and watch. It's going to open up the Zoom meeting, and then they just paste in that passcode that they just copied. Now they'll have access to the recording and the chat on the right. They can also download all of the videos right here. If they just want the chat file, they can do that here. So participants will see whatever you make visible, but you as the administrator can click Admin View. You can connect your Qiqo account to YouTube right here, and then that gives you the ability for every one of the recordings that comes in to send it to YouTube. So here we have one recording, which I've given the title Main Space Recording, and I've set it to visible so that it shows up on the participants page. I can change the display order. I can also write a description. If you choose to send it to YouTube, the title and description will be sent to YouTube also. If you want to make any internal notes here as a team, such as you want to mark something for editing, you can do that here, and just your admin team will see that. When Zoom sends a recording, they're going to send many different files, and you get to choose which of these files you want to download or to share a link or to send to YouTube. To send it to YouTube, just click that button right there. It'll show up in your own YouTube account. The people that have access to this page are all the event administrators and all event staff. So we have a new level of event staff. This is someone who can see the admin controls in an event, such as changing the topics or pushing out notifications in the middle of your event, but they cannot edit your whole event or delete your event. If I would like to embed the participant view inside my event, I'll click Participant View, and I'll take this URL here. You would paste that URL into the link tracker. We have a new video about how the link tracker can now be automatically connected to your event, so there's no more copying and pasting. It's just click a button inside Qiqo and it'll pull all the latest data into your Qiqo event. And when I go into the event, I can decide where I'd like to display it. This beautiful event space was created by April Jefferson. I'm in the main space. Here are the different tools that are open in the main space. I'll click Recording, and this is where this team decided to put it. So participants, when they're in your event, they'll know exactly where they can come after the event to see all the recordings. That saves you a lot of time and communication going back and forth when people often ask that question, where are the recordings going to be stored? If you have any questions, please come visit us at Open Office Hours, and you can always find those open office hours at learn.qiqochat.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing what you can do online with these new features.